Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series of macroeconomics. Students, in my current video I'll be talking about the difficulties which are there in measuring the national income. Now, one of the most important difficulties defining the nation. Now, when I'm talking about defining the nation, now how come it is a problem for measurement? It is because, like, whenever I'm computing my national income, I have to take into consideration the income which is earned within the territories of the country, as well as from the income which is earned from the foreign states. Now, again, these are the boundaries which are beyond the control of the country. So in this case, now it is very tough to define the political boundaries. Now, the second difficulty is the lack of reliable data. Now, students, lack of reliable data is a big problem because, again, whenever we are measuring the national income, it is estimated on the basis of the primary data. Now, primary data are the data which is the first-hand source of information. Now, again, the primary data collected from the source are supposed to be vague. The reason behind the people are illiterate. They are not aware the reason why the data is being collected. Now, even this, there are few people. There are many people who are reluctant to cooperate. Means they are not aware of the data collection techniques and all. Now, even at times, the data collectors who are involved into collection of data also fabricate the data. Now, in that case, they just try to help themselves with the hurdles, save themselves with the hurdles faced by them by approaching individual people for collection of data. Now, in that case, they give fabricated or inflated data, and in this way, the data so collected is not that authentic and reliable. Now, next is the existence of non-monetized sector. Now, in that case, I've already, in my video lectures, in my live videos, I've already told you that there are two basic sectors which are operating in any country. Those are monetized sector as well as non-monetized. Now, monetized sector, obviously, it's a sector where money is used as a medium of exchange. But non-monetized sector is a sector which is which is the biggest example is the barter economy. Barter economy is like where the goods and services, they are bought and exchange in terms of goods and services. So now this is a big problem. And another problem in the same head is that now these monetize in this case, like agriculture. When I'm talking about agriculture, there are certain production of goods which is not used for which are produced for self consumption. Now, self consumption, this is a big problem because you cannot demarcate a difference between these two, because whenever you're consuming it for yourself, although if you would have gotten for other sources, you would have been required to pay for this. So this is the reason why this is a big problem. And again, this also, like we have already discussed, that you have to take into consideration these incomes, like the sources through which I'm going for self consumption. But now it is very tough to evaluate the quantum, because self consumption is something which cannot be quantified. You will find a difficulty in quantifying them. Okay. Now, next is the difficulty in classification of working population. Now, in India, working population is not clear, because you all know there are certain types of unemployment. Seasonal unemployment होती है, disguised unemployment होती है. तो यहाँ पर क्या है कि अगर हम seasonal की बात करें तो पूरे साल उनको काम नहीं है. They get work only for a particular period of time. Now, in that case, it is very tough to identify their incomes from a particular occupation. उसी तरह जब हम डिस्गाइज की बात करें, एक डिस्गाइज का मतलब it appears that you are working, but actually you are not. So again, it creates a problem in measuring national income. Now, next problem is the problem of it's an illegal income. Now, illegal income are basically the unaccountable or not reported income, and in other words, illegal forms of economic activity and illegal activities, they are not reported to the authority. Reason being, you are just trying to safeguard yourself from the payment of taxes. You are trying to evade taxes. Now, this is what is called underground or black economy. Gambling, drug trading and all are the few examples of illegal terms of economic activities. Now, while people in power, even you, जहाँ पे bribes मिल रही हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, they are trying to under report, or they do not report certain financial incomes. एंड इन दैट केस दे आर अर्निंग लाइक जो भी अंडर रिपोर्ट करके ब्राइब्ड इनकम ले रहे हैं, ताकि ये जो ब्राइब्ड इनकम है, दिस इज एन इलीगल इनकम. In India, income generated in black economy is estimated to be around 40% of the GDP. Now, in this case, again, this brings a big problem for estimation of national income. Okay, so these were certain few problems. However, parallel to it, there are few more difficulties. That is the problem of double counting. Now, it is one of the biggest difficulty because like there are certain incomes जिनको हम हर लेवल पर इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स होते हैं, जिनके हर लेवल पर जब आपके उसमें वैल्यू एडिशंस होती हैं ना. अगर एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं कि द वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट ऑफ शुगर and sugarcane are counted separately, the value of sugarcane utilized in the manufacture of the sugar will have been counted twice. Now, in that case, it will go for an incorrect estimation. So, this is one of the difficulty with respect to with respect to division on the basis of like goods. जो जिसमें अगर दोनों लेवल पर कर लिया, बिकॉज शुगर भी यूज़ हो रही है, शुगर केन भी यूज़ हो रही है, अगर दोनों को वैल्यू को आपने ऐड कर लिया तो अल्टीमेटली इट विल लीड टू डबल काउंटिंग. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दीज वर सर्टेन डिफिकल्टीज. ना जिसको इवन इसके अलावा भी हमने आपको जैसे सेल्फ इम्प्यूटेड रेंट के लिए रिगार्डिंग मैंने आपको बताया था. इवन सर्विसेज जो एक फीमेल घर पे जो अभी हमने आपको बोला था कि नॉन मोनेटाइज सेक्टर, तो बहुत सारी ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ भी हैं जो नॉन मोनेटाइज सेक्टर से जनरेट हो रही है, जैसे कि एक सर्विस ऑफ अ हाउस वुमन, घर में बच्चे को संभाल रही है. नाउ दिस कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन आया. सो दीज आर द रीजंस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. ये सारी डिफिकल्टीज जस्ट गो थ्रू इट, एंड विद माई लाइव लेक्चर वील बी डिस्कसिंग ऑल दिस. ओके, थैंक यू क्लास, थैंक यू सो मच.